Governments buried these weapons in secret vaults for a reason, because they were too deadly, too dangerous, and too terrifying for the world to ever see again. Classified Weapons 1. Greek Fire, the Byzantine Empire's liquid death, 500 AD. Nobody really knows exactly how Greek fire worked, and that's exactly the point. The Byzantine Empire kept this weapon so classified that even today historians are still trying to figure out the full recipe. Here's what we do know. This stuff was basically ancient napalm. You could shoot it from tubes mounted on ships, and the craziest part? It kept burning on water. You couldn't splash it out. Soldiers who got hit with it had almost zero chance of survival. The Byzantines used it to destroy entire enemy fleets in minutes. Imagine watching your whole navy just melt into the sea. Enemies were so terrified they started surrendering the moment they saw the tubes being aimed at them. The formula was passed down only within one secret family, and when that family line ended, the recipe died with them forever. Gone. Just like that. 2. Project Thor, America's space-age rods of God, 1950s. This one sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it was completely real. The U.S. military during the Cold War secretly developed a concept called Project Thor. Basically, giant tungsten metal rods dropped from satellites orbiting in space. No explosives needed. Nothing. Just pure speed and gravity doing the work. These rods would hit the ground at around 36,000 feet per second, creating an impact equal to a small nuclear bomb. Zero radiation, no fallout, totally untraceable, and nearly impossible to stop. Enemy countries wouldn't even see it coming. The project stayed deeply classified for decades because the U.S. didn't want other nations knowing this technology even existed. The scary part? Some defense experts believe parts of this program were never fully shut down. It just quietly disappeared from public records, which honestly makes it even more terrifying to think about. 3. Bat bombs, America's weirdest World War II secret weapon, 1943. Okay, this one is wild, and most people have never even heard of it. During World War II, the U.S. military actually developed a classified program to attach tiny incendiary bombs to live bats. The plan was to release millions of these bats over Japanese cities at night. Bats naturally find dark, small spaces to sleep, so they'd fly into buildings, attics, or rooftops. And then the tiny bombs would go off and start fires everywhere all at once. The fires would be so spread out and random that putting them all out would be nearly impossible. Test runs actually showed serious promise, and early results were honestly impressive. But the project got quietly canceled when the atomic bomb program took priority. The whole thing stayed classified for years because the military was embarrassed a bat plan nearly made it to full deployment. Weird? Yes. Effective? Surprisingly, also, yes. 4. Soviet psychotronic weapons, mind control technology, 1970s. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union poured massive secret funding into something called psychotronic weapons, devices designed to mess with the human brain from a distance using electromagnetic frequencies. And the goal was simple, but insane. Control enemy soldiers' minds, cause confusion, trigger fear, even make people physically sick without a single bullet being fired. Western intelligence agencies got wind of it and immediately classified everything related to it. The U.S. started their own counter-research program just as secretly. Both sides were terrified of the other having a weapon that could basically switch off a human brain remotely. Some researchers who worked on these programs came forward decades later saying the technology was far more advanced than governments ever admitted publicly. To this day, full details remain buried in classified files that haven't been released to the public. 5. Germany's sun gun. A mirror that could burn cities, 1929. This one genuinely sounds impossible, but German scientists actually drew up serious detailed plans for it. The idea was to build a massive orbital mirror, roughly 1 square mile in size, and position it in space. Then use it to focus concentrated sunlight directly onto enemy cities, crops, or military targets on the ground below. The heat generated would be enough to burn entire cities or boil ocean water in specific spots to disrupt enemy naval routes. After World War II, American intelligence found the detailed blueprints and immediately classified the entire project. Scientists who reviewed the plans confirmed it was theoretically possible with the right resources. The technology to actually build it didn't exist yet, but the concept was real. It was serious, and it scared enough people in the right places to get locked away permanently. Banned weapons. 6. The Flamethrower. Banned after decades of horror, WWII to modern, flamethrowers were first used on a massive scale in World War I, and the results were absolutely horrifying. Picture this: soldiers sitting in trenches suddenly seeing a wall of fire 130 feet long shooting straight at them with no warning and no escape. Burns from flamethrowers were so severe that most victims didn't survive, and the ones who did wished they hadn't. The psychological damage alone was devastating. Entire units would break and run, just hearing the sound of the tanks firing up. After World War II, international pressure grew rapidly, and most countries eventually agreed to ban them for use against human targets. The U.S. military officially retired their last flamethrower units in 1978. Today, using one against soldiers is considered a war crime under international humanitarian law. What started as a tactical weapon became one of the most universally hated tools of warfare in all of human history. 7. Dum-Dum bullets. Banned for being too deadly, 1899. Here's something that sounds backwards. A bullet was banned for being too effective. Dum-Dum bullets were designed by the British military in the 1890s. They were built to expand on impact, meaning when they hit a person, the bullet mushroomed outward and caused absolutely massive internal damage. One shot could create a wound so large that survival was basically impossible. Other European nations saw these bullets in action and were genuinely shocked at the level of destruction one small round could do to a human body. In 1899, at the Hague Convention, countries came together and agreed to ban expanding bullets in warfare completely. The idea was that soldiers should be wounded or killed, not completely destroyed. It sounds strange, but there were actually agreed upon limits to how much damage a weapon was allowed to do to a human body. Dum-Dum bullets crossed that line and got banned permanently from warfare. 8. White phosphorus. The chemical that never stops burning, WWII to present. White phosphorus is one of the most terrifying substances ever used in warfare, and it burns at 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. When it touches skin, it doesn't just burn. It keeps burning all the way down to the bone, and it reignites when exposed to oxygen again. You can't simply wash it off with water. Medical teams treating victims had to work in complete darkness because even small exposure to light could reignite the chemical on the patient's skin mid-treatment. It was used heavily in World War I and kept appearing in conflicts for decades after. International treaties eventually moved to heavily restrict its use against civilian populations, classifying it as a chemical weapon in many contexts. Despite being banned in populated areas, multiple modern conflicts have seen allegations of its use. It remains one of the few substances so brutal that the entire world collectively agreed it had gone too far. 9. Cluster bombs, banned for killing civilians. Decades later, Cold War. Cluster bombs look almost innocent from the outside. One big bomb that opens mid-air and releases hundreds of smaller explosives over a wide area. Sounds effective militarily, right? The problem was devastating. A huge percentage of those smaller bombs, sometimes up to 40%, didn't explode on impact. They just sat there on the ground looking like harmless objects. Kids picked them up. Farmers walked into fields and triggered them years later. Communities in Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia are still dealing with unexploded cluster bombs from the 1970s, killing and injuring people to this day. Over 100 countries signed the Convention on Cluster Munitions in 2008, agreeing to ban them completely. The weapon wasn't just deadly in war. It kept being deadly for generations after the war ended, which is exactly why the world finally said, enough is enough. 10. Poison gas, the weapon that changed warfare. Forever, WWII. Nothing changed the rules of war quite like poison gas did during World War I. The Germans first deployed chlorine gas at Ypres in 1915, and the results were catastrophic. Soldiers had absolutely no protection, no warning, and no idea what was happening to them. Mustard gas came next, and it was even worse. It didn't just kill, it blinded, burned skin, destroyed lungs, and left survivors permanently disabled for life. Over 1 million casualties were linked to gas attacks in World War I alone. The suffering was so widespread and so visible that public outrage around the world became impossible to ignore. The Geneva Protocol of 1925 banned the use of chemical weapons in warfare, making it one of the earliest and most important international weapons bans in history. Despite this ban, chemical weapons have appeared in conflicts since, and every single time the world reacts with the same horror it did back in 1915.